In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document in OneDrive with others using Microsoft Excel. This is a straightforward process and perfect for collaborating on your Excel files with colleagues, friends, or anyone who needs access. Let's go through the steps together to ensure you can do this efficiently and confidently. First, you need to open the Excel file that you wish to share. If it's not saved in OneDrive yet, that's okay. We'll guide you through the process of saving it to the cloud. This step is crucial because sharing happens through OneDrive, where your document will be securely stored and easily accessible from anywhere. Now, look toward the menu at the top, click on File, then hover over Share and select Save to Cloud. This action prompts you to choose the location for saving your document. Here, you should select your OneDrive account. If it's not already linked, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once you've selected the right location, go ahead and click Save. After your file is safely stored in OneDrive, you'll notice that the Share button becomes active. You can typically find this button in the top right corner of the Excel window. Clicking on it opens up a sharing panel, providing you with several options on how to share your document. Let's explore these options. In the sharing panel, you can invite people by entering their email addresses. This method sends them an email invitation directly, streamlining collaboration and allowing you to include a personal message. Alternatively, you can copy a link to the document. Just click Copy Link and a URL will be generated. You can then paste this link anywhere, whether it's in an email, chat app, or another platform, so others can access the file directly. Before you finalize the sharing process, think carefully about permissions. You've got two choices here: allowing people to edit the document or granting them view-only access. To set these permissions, click on the pencil icon or the drop-down menu next to the invitees' names or the copied link. Ensure you choose the option that best suits your needs to maintain the integrity and privacy of your Excel file. Finally, once everything's set, click Send to dispatch the email invitations. Or, if you've chosen to share via a link, go ahead and send it through your preferred communication channel. This final step ensures that everyone who needs to access the document can do so without any hassle. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to share your Excel documents through OneDrive with ease, facilitating effective collaboration and teamwork. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.